This is the single crochet and half double crochet. To start with any creation of crochet, you have to make a chain by a slip knot. You put the yarn on your hand and make an S here and turn over your hand. Put the hook under the first yarn and pull the second yarn. Put your finger on this yarn and you pull through the yarn. Pull the yarn to tighten the first chain. This is one way to make a slip knot. There are many ways to make a slip knot. And to make a chain, you put the yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. And yarn over and then pull the hook through the loop. Again, yarn over and pull it through. And continue. You make 10 chains here. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. Okay. One more. This is a chain with Here we make single crochet. At the chain number 10, you chain one more and put the hook into the loop here. Okay, and yarn over and pull the yarn through and yarn over and pull it through. This is the single crochet. Okay, one more. Put the hook into the loop here and yarn over, pull it through. We have two yarn here and yarn over and pull it through two yarn. Okay, this is the second stick. So you can use the marker to mark the first stick here. And continue. Put the hook into the loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Single crochet. Continue to the end of the chain. To end of the chain, if the next round you want to make a single crochet too, so you chain one at the end and turn over, and this one is going to be the first stick of the round 2. So insert the hook into the yarn, yarn over and pull it through, yarn over and pull it through. This is the first stick. Continue, pull it through, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through. Okay, insert the hook, pull the yarn. Okay, insert the hook, pull the yarn. We have 10 sticks here with single crochet. This is the 2 rounds of single crochet. And when you make 10 rounds, you're gonna seam like this. So today we're gonna make a half double crochet. You make slip knot, making an S here. This is one way of making slip knot. And then chain, yarn over and pull it through. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and continue. You make 10 chain. This is the number 10. So to make a half double crochet, we chain 2 and yarn over the hook here and put the hook into the chain number 10. Insert the hook, yarn over and pull it through. Now we have 1, 2, 3 loops on the yarn on the hook here, and yarn over again and pull the yarn on through the 2 loops. So this is the half double crochet. Again, yarn over and put the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through. We have 3 here, yarn over and pull on 3, the half double crochet. Okay, so continue to end of the chain. Yarn over, pull the hook into the loop and pull the yarn, pull the yarn on 3. Yarn over, again put the hook, yarn over and pull, yarn over and pull the yarn on 3. Okay, this is the half double crochet. To end of the chain here, if you want to make a next round with half double crochet, you chain 1, 2 and turn over. Okay, again yarn over and put the hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through. We have 3 loops here, yarn over and pull the yarn on 3. Again yarn over, put the hook under the yarn, pull the yarn. We have 3 and pull it on 3. You see the half double crochet and then continue. We will see the difference of the single crochet and half double crochet. This is the height of the stick. This is the half double crochet when we finish 9 rounds. The half double crochet and single crochet with the same number of rounds. We see the difference of the height.